Dear students, so in this class, let us discuss about the transform of integrals of means Laplace transform of integrals. That is, if f of t be a given function with a L f of t equals f of s, f of t be a given function such that L f of t equals f of s, then the Laplace of integral 0 to t f of u du, f of u du equals 1 by s into f of s or 1 by s into L f of t. Clear? Laplace of integral 0 to t f of u du equals 1 by s into f of s. So from here, L, what is integral 0 to t f of u du? So here integral 0 to t f of u du equals L inverse of 1 by s into f of s. So this is an important result. Okay. By using this argument, we try to solve some problems. So it is given if L f of t equals, if L f of t equals 1 by s into s square plus a square, 1 by s into s square plus a square, then find f of t. If L f of t is 1 by s into s square plus a square, then find f of t. What is f of t here? Here f of t is, what is f of t? Surely we know that f of t equals L inverse of 1 by s into s square plus s square. Okay, 1 by s into s square plus s square is of the form L inverse of 1 by s into f of s. What is L inverse of 1 by s into f of s? It is nothing but integral 0 to t f of u du, where f of t is L inverse of f of s. So first we choose f of s here. What is f of s? So far, let f of s equals 1 by s square plus s square. Why? The given 1 by s into s square plus s square is of the form 1 by s into f of s. So what is f of s? 1 by s square plus s square. Agreed. So let f of s is 1 by s square plus s square. So what is L inverse of f of s? L inverse of f of s equals L inverse of 1 by s square plus s square. Okay. What is L inverse of 1 by s square plus s square? We know that L sin at. The standard results are important. Using the standard result L sin at. What is L sin at? It is a by s square plus s square. L sin at is a by s square plus s square. Therefore, L inverse of a by s square plus s square is sin at. But here it is L inverse of 1 by s square plus s square. So, L inverse of 1 by s square plus s square is 1 by a into sin 8. Okay, 1 by a into sin 8. Therefore, L inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s into 1 by s square plus a square equals L inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s square plus a square is f of s. But according to this argument, it is integral 0 to t f of u du. Okay. Integral 0 to t f of u du. What is integral 0 to t f of u du? What is f of t? F of t is 1 by f of t is nothing but L inverse of f of s, that is 1 by a into sin at. So it is 1 by a into sin a u du. Okay, that equals, you can integrate it, 1 by a into integral of sin a u minus cos a u by a. From where to where? 0 to t equals minus 1 by a square into, come on, cos 80 minus cos 0. Cos 80 minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So it is answer is 1 by a square into 1 minus cos 80. Okay. So answer is 1 by a square into 1 minus cos 80. Agree. So this is L inverse. So if LF of t is 1 by s into a square plus a square, then L inverse of 1 by s into a square plus a square is nothing but f of t, that is 1 by a square into 1 minus cos t. Clear? So this result is important. That is, if Lf of u du is 1 by s into f of s, then L inverse of 1 by s into f of s is integral 0 to u f of integral 0 to t f of u d. Okay. So consider another problem. What is integral? If Lf of t is, if Lf of t equals 1 by s square plus 4s, find f of s. Find f of t. Find f of t. Lf of t equals 1 by s square plus 4s, then find f of t. How? Here, it is given Lf of t equals 1 by s square plus 4s can be rewrite as s into s plus 4. Okay. So equals, it is 1 by s into 1 by s plus 4. Clear? Is of the form 1 by s into, is of the form 1 by s into f of s. Agree? Therefore, let f of s equals, let f of s equals 1 by s plus 4. Clear? This implies L inverse of f of s. What is L inverse of f of s? L inverse of f of s is L inverse of 1 by s plus 4. So what is L inverse of 1 by s plus 4? It is e power minus 40. Why? We know that L e power minus 80. What is L e power minus 80? 1 by s plus e. L e power minus 80 is 1 by s plus a. Thus L inverse of 1 by s plus a is e power minus 80. Therefore L inverse of 1 by s plus 4 is e power minus 40. That means f of t equals, here let f of t equals e power minus 40. Okay. Or f of u equals, moreover f of t equals minus, so to avoid the confusion, that implies f of u. F of u equals e power minus 4u. Okay. F of u equals e power minus 4. Now, L inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s plus 4 equals, it's of the form L inverse of, L inverse of 1 by s into, what is f of s? 1 by s plus 4? It is f of s. 1 by s into f of s, then equals integral 0 to t f of u d. Agree? It is integral 0 to t f of u d. Equals integral 0 to t, what is f of u? E power minus 4u d. E power minus 4u. Integral of e power minus 4u is e power minus 4u by minus 4 from where to where? 0 to t. Equals minus 1 by 4 into e power minus 40 minus e power 0 equals 1 by 4 into 1 minus e power minus 40. Agree? So, the formula is very important. If Lf of t is f of s, then L inverse of 1 by s into f of s is nothing but integral 0 to u or 0 to t f of u d. Agree? So you can solve these types of problems by using this argument. 1 by s cube minus s. Taking s outside, it is s square minus 1 and so on. Okay. So consider another one. If LF of t is another problem. If LF of t equals 1 by s square into 1 by s square into s minus 1 by s plus 1. If LF of t equals 1 by s square into s minus 1 by s plus 1. Find f of t. What is f of t? That is the first requirement. So, if LF of t is 1 by s square into s minus 1 by s plus 1, then find f of t. So, for LF of t equals 1 by s square into f of s. Okay. Simple. 1 by f of s square into f of s. So, here let f of s is s minus 1 by s square into f of s, or this can be rewrite as 1 by s square into s minus 1 by s plus 1. Can be rewrite as s by s plus 1 by 1 by s plus 1. Okay. S by s plus 1 minus 1 by s plus 1. So consider the first case. Let f1s or f of s equals equals s 1 by s plus 1. S by s is 1 by s plus 1, or you can distribute this 1 by s square also. What is it? It is 1 by s square into s by s plus 1. So it is 1 by s into 1 by s plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 by s square into 1 by s plus 1. We can distribute this 1 by s square. So the resultant is 1 by s into 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 by s square into 1 by s plus 1. Now consider the first. 1 by s into 1 by s plus 1. So for here let f1s equals 1 by s plus 1, or f of s equals 1 by s plus 1. So what is L inverse of that one? L inverse of this f1s. L inverse of f1s is L inverse of 1 by s plus 1. What is L inverse of 1 by s plus 1? E power minus t. Agreed? E power minus t. By L inverse of 1 by s plus a is e power minus at. Therefore, here that means what is f of u, or here f1u? f1u equals e power minus u. Clear? Therefore, L inverse of 1 by s into f1s. 1 by f into s1s is integral 0 to t f1 u du equals integral 0 to t e power minus u du equals e power minus u minus of e power minus u from where to where? 0 to t equals 1 minus e power minus t. Again let f2s equals, come to a second part. f2s equals 1 by s plus 1 also. Here, come to a second part. 1 by, let f2s is 1 by s plus 1. Here also, by taking the inverse, so f2u equals e power minus u. By the same argument, f2u equals e power minus u. So, but there is 1 by s square. So, what about L inverse of 1 by s square f of s? That is L inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s into f of s. Enough. So, first you consider 1 by s into f of s. That equals, the first part is integral 0 to t f of u, f2u du. f2u means e power minus u du. Integral 0 to t e power minus u du, it is 1 minus e power minus t. But you can again integrate. Why? Because L inverse of 1 by s square. So you can integrate again. What do you get? So the resultant is integral 0 to t. Here 1 minus e power minus ud. Why? So L inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s into f of s. So the second 1 by s into f of s is here. In the next step is 1 minus e power minus u. So it is integral 0 to t 1 minus e power minus u du. So you can integrate. Integral 1 du is u minus or plus e power minus u. Minus e power minus u. Integral of e power minus u is e power minus u by minus 1 minus of minus plus. From where to where? 0 to t. Equals t then plus e power minus t minus 1. Okay, by supplying upper and lower limit. Therefore, the required integral is, or required result is, the function f of t is 1 minus e power minus t minus t plus e power minus t minus 1. So it is 1 minus of minus 1 plus 2 minus e power minus t minus e power minus t. 2 into e power minus t minus t. Means there is 1 by s square. So in order to find out that one, you have to integrate it twice. L inverse of 1 by s into f of s is integral 0 to t f of u du. So L inverse of 1 by s square into f of s is first one. We have to integrate it for find out L inverse of 1 by s into f of s. Again you can integrate the obtained result. Okay. So this is the application of that result. That is, if L of t is f of s, then if L of integral, the Laplace of integral 0 to t f of u du is 1 by s into f of s, then L inverse of 1 by s into f of s is integral 0 to t f of u du. Okay, so this argument is, or this method is used to find out the actual function f of t whenever the L of 1 by s into f of s is given. Like this. Agree?